Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Valentine's is coming up in a few days, and if you are in a relationship, you want to highlight the event. A beautiful bouquet of flowers, a lovely candlelight dinner with a nice bottle of wine and soft music playing in the background. It's so romantic. But that's not all. What about chocolate? In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my chocolate-covered strawberries. It is so easy to make and quite delicious. With fresh strawberries and dark chocolate, decorate with white chocolate, this is the perfect sweet treat to serve to your honey. So my friends, let's get cooking.
Here are my chilled strawberries that I washed yesterday so the moisture has time to dissipate. So what we'll do is to bring them back to room temperature. To find out how to clean your berries, simply click on the top right corner of your screen. Next, we'll add coconut oil to our semi-sweet chocolate and stir well. If you're wondering why some of them are lighter, it's because the chocolate bloomed. It means that it was affected by warm temperature after sitting in a pantry for a while. Although it doesn't look great, the chocolate is perfectly safe to use, and after melting it, there won't be any difference. To learn more about blooming, read the blog. Now, talking about melting, we'll move on to the microwave. We'll place the microwave-safe bowl on high and process for 20 seconds each time before stirring it. We'll return the bowl for another 20 seconds and repeat the same steps until the chocolate is nice and smooth. It usually takes me about a minute to do it. Alright, let's dip our berries. Holding by the stem, we'll dip each strawberry into the melted chocolate, rotating it to completely coat the fruit and get as close as we can to the top. Then we'll gently wipe one side against the inside edge of the bowl. See, there's a little streak on it. And we'll let the excess chocolate drip off before placing that side down on a baking sheet lined with a silicone mat or parchment paper. When we're done, we'll transfer them to the fridge to harden, about 15 minutes. This next step is optional. If you want to decorate your chocolate-covered strawberries, this time we'll use white chocolate that we chopped finely. We'll add about 3/4 teaspoon of coconut oil or a generous 1/2 teaspoon. Like earlier, we'll stir well. We'll then go over the microwave and do the same by processing in 20-second intervals on high until all melted and smooth, stirring well after each time. Next, we'll pour the melted white chocolate into a small Ziploc bag. With such a small amount, there's no need to use a piping bag. We'll cut a tiny piece off of one corner, there you go, and without waiting any longer, we'll squeeze out the chocolate in a back and forth zigzag motion. We'll transfer them to the fridge until ready to serve. And my friends, these are our chocolate-covered strawberries. Relatively quick and easy to make, they are a scrumptious sweet treat to enjoy this coming weekend, although there's no reason not to serve them more than once a year. Surprise your Valentine with these elegant and delicious little gems. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!